Hi, welcome back. Girl, it's raining, it's cloudy, it's so dark. It looks like it's nighttime all morning, all afternoon. It's been like that. I'm not even in the mood to do videos, to be honest. I was like, and it's kind of cold, so I put on this. So I just was not feeling it today, but I was like, you know what? I need to get content because yesterday I received like 3 packages. And I'm like, if I keep extending it, I probably won't do it. So I was like, you know what? Let me just do unboxings today. Oops, that fell. Okay, so the first one is from P&P line. It says right here. But it's really from this small Instagram brand that I was introduced by someone I follow. So they didn't reach out to me. I reached out to them. And this is a gifted collab. I'm not getting paid for it. No sponsorship at all whatsoever. So this is the product they sent me. It's basically a mud stick mask for your blackheads. And if y'all know me, I struggle with blackheads all my life. Since I was a kid, I feel like, and teenager. Wow, I can't remember the first time I noticed I had blackheads, but definitely years. And they never go away. I tried the acne patches, the Bior strips, the black ones, the white ones. And I obviously could see all the whiteheads, but not the blackheads. They were still there. And I was like, I'm trying to remove the blackheads, not whiteheads. I mean, yeah, those two, you need to remove them, but mainly my concern is black. You see all of those dots? Some are very black, some are not, but they're noticeable. They look like freckles. People think they're freckles, but it's not. It's literally blackheads. And now recently, a few months ago, I noticed I have red spots and bumps. I don't know if it's acne or clogged blackheads that got infected, but it's the first time it ever happened. And it's because I've been using different skincare, so I don't know which skincare did that. So I'm like, oh my gosh, supposedly this skincare helps, and I feel like it's making my skin worse, but I don't know which exactly. But yeah, ignore my nose hair. Basically, this helps remove that. I've been seeing before and after pictures of people having a better, clearer nose. Obviously, it's not going to take all the blackheads and scarring. It's not going to go away 100%, but most of them will. Supposedly, in those pictures, looked like it was working. So I was like, I need to reach out to them and I need to try, because this is one of my skin concerns that I've had for the longest that I want to remove. Because if it was freckles, I wouldn't care, but it's not. It's basically gunk stuck in your pores. And I only have blackheads in my nose, and I'm barely starting to get in my chin, but the rest of my face, I don't really have any. So thank God, only right here mainly. So basically, this is from the brand Petite Pluie. It sounds French, but I don't know. I forgot to mention the brand. And it's vegan, so I don't know the price. I'll put it here and facts about the brand, because I always forget to do research before. But so this is silicone face scrubber. So yeah, like I said, you just put it here and then you let it sit. You can put it all over your face, but I'm mainly gonna stick here. And it's made with Canadian mud. I don't know if that's good or not. That sounds interesting, but oh, it's like a plastic thing. It reminds me of those toys as a kid. I forgot, where you would place your hand and they will mark it, and then you shake it and then restart, and you use your hand or make your face. Remember? I remember I had one. It was green. It was similar. Anyway, so that's basically how it looks. I don't know how to use it. I don't know if, oh, maybe it's supposed to switch. I need to read the directions because I don't know. Okay, so this is pore contraction, sebum control. It's deep pore and skin cleansing, so I hope this works. So I don't see directions. Okay, Oh, you can use it for everyday normal usage or for blackheads and dirt. So for the everyday, excuse me, normal usage, you just, after cleansing your face, you basically dry off the water and apply the mud mask throughout onto your face. So basically like a regular mask, so all over your face or like certain areas that you want to use it, and then you wait 3 to 5 minutes and then you rinse off with water, and that's basically it. If you want to use it like a traditional mask, or like me, I want to use it to remove my blackheads and dirt. So you can just place it there on your nose, and you have to use the silicone scrubber, this part right here, this plastic, with water on specific areas with blackhead and silver dirt. So okay, so that's kind of confusing. So with the other regular usage, you don't have to use this thing, but with the blackheads you do. And it doesn't say for how long to use it. Look, it doesn't say, it just says use the silicone brush, and this one was more specific. Girl, I don't get it. So obviously I want to test it out today, so I think that's basically it for the directions and the unboxing. Okay, so let me take a quick picture and video of this first and then use it when I come back. Damn, the wind is crazy. It's throwing things outside. It's intense. Anyways, so finally this camera is not straight. Okay, so I'm scared, not scared, but crap, I hope I don't need water. So where's my mirror? Oh my gosh, where's my mirror? I don't want to keep standing up because I can't move. I forgot to mention that this is also a Korean brand, and I had to use Cetaphil cleanser to clean it off because I touched it with my non-washed hands. So okay, here we go. I forgot to grab my mirror. That's also what? I just keep going back and forth. Hold on. I can't find the mirror that I always use, but forget. You can tell I only have 2 mirrors. I don't have a lot, so when they get lost, I kind of panic a little because I need my mirrors for content, you know what I'm saying? Anyways, this is dirty. I need to clean it. Okay, whatever. So this fell on the floor like this, so I hope it's still okay to use it. Oops, I should probably not do that. Oh well, so I'm gonna use it now. I don't know how to use it, but it said with water I'm supposed to use it like this. I'm pressing hard, but I don't see anything here. It's just red. I don't get it. I also have a lot of whiteheads. I don't see anything. What? Do y'all see anything? I clearly don't. What do I have here? I don't see anything. I don't see anything. When I press down, I can see all the whiteheads popping out. Okay, I went like this and I feel like something flew. Maybe it is working. Maybe it's getting all the whiteheads. Let me see. I don't know. I don't see anything. Oops, my nail made a mark on my nose. You see those lines? Oops. Literally, I don't get it. So I'm gonna ignore that and just use it like a traditional mask. So I don't know if you're supposed to squeeze his. Oh, there we go. Oops. Oops. He made a mess. Doesn't really have a scent. It's just gray. And it's kind of soft and dry. So I need water. I'm just gonna use it as a regular mask. So let's see. Oh, it's cold. It's cool. It feels very good. But like it's wet. But it's not. Wow, it's going on. Okay, it smells like mud mask now. But nothing. So I'm mainly gonna focus here where I have the most concern. So put a lot here. Wow, I can see the little whiteheads poke through. Look, it looks disgusting, but yeah, but that's so cool. Okay, my chin I need. Okay, so my T-zone basically, where do I put here? Just a little bit here. Okay, now I'm gonna wait for 35 minutes and then wash it off with water and come back. Okay? Okay, so finally I washed my face and I left it on for like 6 minutes because I was taking pictures and videos. Anyways, and I think I see a difference. First of all, thing that I noticed is that my skin didn't react at all, so that's a good thing. And look, I feel like my nose blackheads look less dark. They're still, oops, let me tighten this. This is so weird. I don't know if, hold on. Anyways, like I was saying, they're not as dark. I don't know, they feel like it also exfoliated my face a little. Look, I see all of this white stuff coming out, which is probably dead skin. So I feel like this is good for exfoliation too, not just blackheads, but oops. But this one, this red dot got more intense. The red dots didn't went away, of course. I don't know if it's acne or it got infected. I don't know what that is, and I don't know how to remove it. But I feel for the most part, I removed some whiteheads because when I go down, I don't see a lot coming through, like maybe these. But most of them, I feel like I removed, especially here. So wow, okay. Oh, and my forehead, I forgot. I put some here, but I don't have a lot here, so I don't really notice. This blackhead doesn't go away. I don't know why, and it didn't went away with this mask. I don't know. I'm gonna continue to use it because I feel like it kind of is doing. I feel like it's doing something. And yeah, let's see. Why is this? What the fuck? Hey, this is not working. Oh well, it's gonna be crooked for now. But damn, so far I like this brand, this product. I feel like it's working a little. So okay, so first impressions, try it. I like it. How did that? I'm so clumsy today. Oh my gosh. So yeah, I do recommend y'all to try this. if y'all struggle with blackheads and all these things. Wow. And I tried to take a before and after video without using the mask so I can compare, but I'm pretty sure it did help remove some. Wow, it just looks, I just feel cleaner too, that area. Usually when I use cleanser it doesn't feel as clean, but with this it kind of feels kind of clean and refreshed, like I actually got some gunk out, even though I didn't remove most of them. But to me it's better than nothing. Okay, so yeah, I'm ending here. Bye, thanks for watching.